Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A22 5G, and today I will show you speaker sound quality test on this no copyright music. And in this device you can find speaker at the bottom in this place, and it's only one speaker. So let's try how it sounds. So as you can hear, that's how that speaker sound. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.